We realized that you may be missing our Can She Make It series. So here's a little recap of what happened in August 2020.
Do you know how to cut a leek? Know which end to use?
Pretty sure use this end.
Are you sure?
Positive.
How positive are you?
I better Google it. Be right back when I know what I'm doing. What I saw was I gotta chop off this rooty end and chop off here. I know by now we have to let the Ace Plus blender come up to temperature before the timer sets. Half a cup of whipping cream. You know you don't want to eat that yet. It's hot.
It's hot.
No, it's hot.
No. Mm.
Ooh.
Hot.
See?
Yeah, go with some crackers too. And I still have a pack.
Oh,
You didn't eat them all.
I thought I'd eaten them all.
See, this helps cool it down too.
See, he can't just be satisfied with what I've made. He has to add to it. Then again, he would do this with the canned soup as well.
Potato Leek Soup. Pretty good.
Can she make it?
She can make it.
Yes!
Looks like a baby threw up. Well,
That's
it
not
may
good.
it may have been the other end. I
Sign.
can't quite tell.
2 sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed. Final touch. Ooh, man, that is hot. Not disagreeing here, folks. Previously on Like It or Not.
This is hot. Don't you know how to make something cold? I know, it's not a pot that freezes. It's a pot that cooks. It looks like a baby threw up. Well,
That's
it
not
may
good.
it may have been the other end. I
Sign.
can't quite tell. Woo! Holy crap, that is hot.
Can she make it? Yes, she can. It just took her a little while. Welcome back to Can She Make It? Today I thought I would try a different button on the Ace blender. I mean, we know the soup button works. Today I thought I would try the nut butter button. A little bit of salt. Alright, now let's see, where's that nut butter button? There it is. Nut butter. It says 4 minutes and 45 seconds. I'm just going to let that ride like that. I'm not going to increase anything. That scared me. almond butter. Can she make broccoli and cheese soup in the Instant Ace Plus blender? We'll find out. Hi, welcome back to Can She Make It? Yes, I'm going to try another soup. I would love to say that I Googled my fingers off and found a great recipe to use in the Ace blender, but I did not. So once again, I'm finding myself having to wing it. Oh heck, why not? Previously on Like It or Not. Oh heck, why not? All right, it's taste test time.
It's got meat in it.
It has 0 meat in it, and it does not have any red pepper flakes.
It's a little thin compared to the normalness.
It was thinner than I thought it would be.
Bowl feels hot. Actually, a bowl doesn't. That smells good. It smells like broccoli cheese soup.
What? Ooh, I got a When I bought the Ace Plus blender, I had no idea how much fun I would have creating new content for Like It or Not. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Come back on Tuesday when we finish our Season 1 recap and give you a Season 2 teaser.